Here are 6 creative ways to use your concealer from a pro makeup artist. I'm gonna use the Kulfi Main Match Concealer. So first, we're gonna try it as a classic concealer. You can hide those dark circles, apply under your eyes, and just blend, blend, blend. So here is the classic way. Another way to use it is as a foundation. If you want a fresh, no makeup look, use concealer on the spots where you need a little bit more coverage. And just blend the edges very well. And you're good to go. The third way to use it is to custom a blush or a contour. You can lighten a deep blush or a contour that mix a little bit of concealer with your blush and create a lighter shade. And now you can apply it and blend. Just the perfect shade. The fourth way to use it is for lip definition. If you want a more fuller, more defined lips and less flat, take a little bit of concealer and tap it on the center. And this is how you get a more plump, voluminous effect of the lip. If you got on a foundation that is too dark, use your concealer to highlight the center of your face, under the eye, on the forehead, on the nose, on the chin, and on the cheekbone. Before and after. Just an instant glow up. And you can use this as a brow bleach trick. If you ever wanted to try the bleach brow look, apply concealer on your eyebrows for that trendy, high fashion vibe. Before and after. You can totally transform your look with a Kulfi concealer. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments below.